revisiting my first journey. Could have skier a year later. Actually, quite early one. Second floor. Second floor. Beep. This is actually very, very efficient. Oh, sorry if the light keeps changing. Back down. I believe get off the wrong floor. That's Delta. Back on down again. I'll actually back up.
Third floor.
Right, here we go. Very nice. One minute a second.
Second floor.
Door hold for some reason. Kone Zion. Absolutely love this lift. This is actually my first Ecodisc. No, first gen Ecodisc.
Ground floor.
Let's see. Heading down again. Oh, battery low, brilliant. Kone Zion.
Ground floor.
Here we go. Going up, up. Clunk. It's 13 persons and it's Homeware a second, which is quite nice. Adds in the lift.
Second floor.